Your question is find the derivative of the function. What they have given? 2 tan x minus 7 sec x. Just we will go for a simplification first. We will get 2 tan x is sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x minus 7. Now sec x is 1 by cos x. That means 7 by cos x. If you take the LCM of this, what you will get? We will get what? 2 sin x minus 7 by cos x. Now we will go for our derivative in fraction forms. So that is d by dx of this. That is your 2 sin x minus 7 by cos x. Now what we will do? Just we will assume our numerator as u and denominator as v. We know that derivative of u by v. That we will write the formula for that. That is your what? U dash into v. U dash is derivative of u into v minus derivative of v into u by v square. Now we will find out the values of derivative of u. That is what? D by dx of u is equal to, you can see here, u is this value. That is your what? 2 d by dx of sin x, 2 d by dx of sin x minus d by dx of 7. How much it is? Just solve it. You can get that 2 derivative of sin x is cos x and minus derivative of any constant is 0. That means you will get your 2 cos x as u dash. Next we will find out our v dash. What is that? V dash is equal to, how much it is? You can see here only cos x is there. So we will write d by dx of cos x. We know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore v dash is minus sin x. Now substitute these two values along with your normal values. What we will get? You can see here u dash is your 2 cos x into v is again cos x minus v dash is minus sin x into u is 2 sin x minus 7, 2 sin x minus 7 by v square is cos square. Now solve this. We will get 2 cos square x minus into minus is plus now. Sin x into 2 is 2 sin square x minus now 7 sin x by cos square x. Now if you see here 2 is common, we will take 2 as a common. We will get cos square x plus sin square x minus 7 sin x by cos square x. we know that cos square x plus sin square is 1. Therefore, what we will get the value? We will get the value that only 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 7 sin x by cos square x. Now split it. You will get 2 by cos square x minus 7 sin x by cos square x. Now, so what is this value? 2 by cos square x is what? Sec square x. So we can write 2 sec square x minus 7. Now, sin by cos is tan. Tan x, and 1 by cos is sec x. So this is your answer now. Here what we have to do, cos square x, we have to split it. Cos x into cos x. Then we will get this value.